Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Debbie, aka Debbylicious Debbie, everything Debbie, Debbie with the vibe. Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year once again. If you're watching this video, means you've watched my last video. So Happy New Year, welcome to 2023. Yes guys, welcome to 2023. And I just pray that this year will bring us, good things, everything we wish ourselves, all your plans, all your vision boards, whatever you've put down with pen, whatever you've drawn, whatever you've basically planned for the year will come to pass. So that's my prayer for everybody in 2023. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time in this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and share. So yes, welcome back guys. As you can see from the title, today I am going to be talking about vision board for 2023. Before I go into this video, if you haven't created your vision board for the year 2023, please do so, to enable you to have proper planning and enable you basically keep track of what you want to achieve in this year 2023. If you haven't made your vision board for the year 2023, I urge you to do so by watching the video that is on the link up here or here, one of them, to see how to create a vision board for the year 2023. Or basically, if you don't know how to create one, please do so by watching the video to understand or know how to create one. If you don't want to go to the stress of doing something like this, please just write your goals down or write your vision down on the book or your diary and work towards achieving those goals. Depends on what works best for you. So this year I decided to do my vision board, or do our vision board, differently, because since I joined YouTube, I've always shared vision boards every year. So this is the year 2023, so obviously I need to do. So this year I decided to do the vision board differently from the normal years, or how we do it, how I always do it normally. So this year what I decided to do is to combine my 2021 and 2022 vision board together as one vision board for the year. So instead of creating a new one, I am going to be using these two vision board for the year 2023. I will be hanging both of them up in my space where I always put it, which is now my baby's room. So I will be hanging these two vision boards up there, and they would be what I would be using for the year 2023. So yeah, if you want to see this vision board in full details, please go back to my old videos, or I'll link them in the description or on the screen, so you can see what they looked like in more details, just because I wanted to explain what our goal is on this channel, and basically what the vision is for the year 2023. So 2021, this was for 2021. Yeah, this was for 2021, and it's a vision board that worked out. It really worked out, meaning a lot of things on this vision board I achieved in 2021. So it didn't fit that I wanted to redo them again or revamp them again by wishing to achieve them in 2023, because transitioning from maternity leave, which I'm currently on, again, if you watch my last video you would know all of that, which I'm currently on. So I'm at home most of the time, so kind of this vision board and that vision board of 2021 and 2022 resonate with where I am right now. So mostly the goals on these vision boards are goals that I am working towards achieving before the end of my maternity leave, or even basically for the end of the year 2023. And honestly, I see myself doing this same process in 2024, just because the goals I have, as they are right now in my life, they're staying the same, so yeah. But anyways, enough of that. This is the vision board for 2023. See me, but in 2023, this is the vision board for 2021. Again, it's basically self-explanatory. Spirituality, I want to be thankful, I want to be, be a boss lady, my dream job, career, spirituality, family, friends. I want to have a happy home. Again, YouTube is on both of my boards, obviously. So my YouTube channel, obviously, I want it to grow. This year my target is to get my channel to at least 5K subscribers. Honestly, it sounds so small, but I know it's doable. 5K subscribers, make sure I'm getting my paycheck every month from this YouTube street. So yeah, I need to be, that's my major goal on YouTube. Get myself growing, be consistent on YouTube, be able to help people that need help, be able to, put myself out there more, so that I can be able to, build a solid career off of this YouTube, social media, all of it. So IG, TikTok, I'm going to kind of implement all of that. So I just consider all of that under YouTube, so consistency as much as I can, help people as much as I can, and all of that. So that's kind of my YouTube kind of the aspect. So yeah, basically for 2021, you guys can see that. This is what it looks like. So I'm hoping to achieve all these goals again in 2023, and I'm hoping that you would work with me to achieve those goals, okay? And in 2022, it was almost the same, but a few things that changed in 2022 was more of giving back, so more of giveaway for channel, during Christmas, go donate stuff for people, of course, which I did. And so yeah, give back, give away, gratitude. I had a lot of gratitude in 2022. I was grateful for so many things, and a lot of people on this channel too have been grateful for so many things. A lot of people that reached out to me have just been so grateful. A lot of people that I helped or worked with for their coming to Canada, got visas and things like that. So I can see that I'm able to also help people off of this channel, off of basically on YouTube. So gratitude, we're all grateful for where we are. We're grateful for entering 2023. So obviously I am keeping this is, yeah. I had family. I said when I had this vision board, I wasn't pregnant. I didn't know, or I didn't plan that I was gonna have a baby. Obviously, I'll just put it down there because I wanted it to be my vision, right? But I said have a healthy baby. So there you go. I even said twin babies. So you guys, for those of you that don't know if I have twins or one, you will know eventually as we kind of keep uploading the videos. But I had healthy babies and I had healthy baby, all of them. So yeah, my family is doing great. Your families are also doing great. So we basically have this, meaning all my subscribers and me, were the owner of this vision board. So a lot of this thing came through for a lot of us on this street. So yeah, if you haven't created your vision board or if you haven't created a plan for the year, or if you haven't set your goals for the year, if you haven't written them down, please do write them down. Do something that you can see. You can do something like this. If there's so many ways to do it, honestly, guys. So please, basically I'm just here to tell you that now it's your turn to make a masterpiece vision board. So if you haven't made one, now is your turn to make a masterpiece vision board. And yeah, maybe we should do a challenge, see the best design vision board for 2023. So if you create one and you think you want to be part of the challenge, create your vision board, post it on IG, tag me, and basically just say hashtag vision board 2023 DebbysCorner. Yeah. I just created a challenge literally right now. So I will post mine on Instagram and do the same thing so that I can see other people's also. Hashtag vision board 2023 DebbysCorner. So yeah, we're going to see the best designed, or the one that was designed more beautiful. So these are the two vision boards that we will be using for the year. Basically going back to them, the things that I didn't achieve in 2021 or 2022, I would work towards achieving those things. Definitely the things that I achieved, I would definitely want to improve on them, improve on where I am, and all of that. So that's basically it for the vision board. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about vision board or goal setting or planning, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll also definitely respond to those comments. Reach out to me on IG if you have any questions as well. And yeah, so this is going to be the end of this video. Again, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to Debbie's Corner, and thank you so much. Love you guys, and I'm praying that this year will be fruitful, and everything that we are putting down on our vision board or on our goal sheet would definitely come through. And I just pray that God blesses everybody, and God just give us a good year and a happy year. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. So if you, again, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so this is going to be the end of this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love, peace, and light. Bye guys.